Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to enable dark mode on your TikTok app on your iPhone. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. As you know, dark mode reduces the strain on your eyes and also saves the battery on your phone. So let me show you how to do this. On your iPhone, open the TikTok app. Now tap on the profile tab at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right. Now scroll down and under content and activity, find dark mode. Tap on it. On this screen, you can select between light and dark mode. Select dark to enable dark mode. If your iPhone already has dark mode selected from settings, then make sure to use device settings. Unfortunately, dark mode setting is not available on Android phone, but TikTok will soon make it, so keep checking. And that is how to enable dark mode on your TikTok app using your iPhone. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.